Hi dears, Ahmad from Technology Trends. If you enjoy video like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any new videos on Technology Trends. Galaxy Z Flip 3 Z Fold 3 starting getting Android 12 update in the US. Yesterday, Samsung starting rolling out of the Android 12 based One UI 4.0 update to the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 more widely. The new software update has now reached the US with Verizon rolling out One UI 4.0 to Samsung's latest foldable smartphones. This stable Android 12 update for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with firmware versions F711 US QS2BU L6 in the US. The major software update for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with firmware versions F926 US QS1BU L6. The new update also includes the December 2021 security patch to fix various known vulnerabilities. If you are a Galaxy Z Flip 3 or Galaxy Z Fold 3 users on Verizon's network in the US, you can check for the new update by navigating to System, Software Update and tapping on Download and Install. Other US carriers should release the update to the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 on their networks. With One UI 4.0, Samsung brought a revamped UI design featuring new widgets, more sophisticated widget design, improved Dark Mode and AoD, and the Material You-inspired color palette feature. It also brings improved privacy and security, featuring quick setting toggles and privacy indicators for camera and microphone usage. Thanks and bye for now.